Hi, my name is Grant. I'm a lead technician here at Livewire. I've been at Livewire for just about a year now. I came in with more security and surveillance, and that's been my background, but I've dove a lot more into networking and a lot more into sound. It's been a really great experience for me to learn everything that we do. Being in a custom integrator company, every day is a little different, right? Because every client has different needs and different things that they want to do to make their lives simpler, more efficient, more fun. It really runs the gamut because every house is built different. There's a lot of challenges, which makes the job fun. The most challenging thing has been just the amount of things that we offer. Because we don't specialize in one thing, we try to integrate all these really cool things together. It makes it really fun for the client, and it's really rewarding at the end. It takes a lot of work and a lot of dedication. Thankfully here at Livewire, we have a lot of great support, a lot of people who are very knowledgeable and are willing to help. So it's been a great experience here so far. With my dad, he had an alarm company for 40 years, and I got to learn really all the ins and outs about security, surveillance, access control, commercial fire. It's learned a lot about low voltage, which is what we do. So I worked for him and then moved to Colorado, worked for a more traditional alarm company. Coming here, we do security, but then we also add on all kinds of new fun technology that integrates with security. And so my mindset is, how can I make you safer? The reason I care about security so much and why I care about quality control is that I have peace of mind if you have peace of mind. If you have your system that works well and that's gonna keep you protected, that jazzes me up. That makes me happy because I'm making your life easier. I'm making your life where you can put your kids to bed at night and know that you can sleep better yourself. I'm married, and other than being a dad and a husband, I love to ride my bike if I have time. I love to geocache and I love to explore. And one of the fun things I get to experience when I explore is to see all the street art that's in Richmond, whether it be at the flood wall or just the little pocket parks that we have. It's really fun to see all the new things that Richmond has to offer. I'm Grant, I'm a residential lead technician here at Livewire. I'm ready to swing a hammer, let's go.